to do a little video to explain how to use the DisplayNote app on your laptop to cast to your interactive display. The first step, the first thing you want to do, of course, is to turn on the interactive display and then go to the open up the screen sharing part of that, so you have a screen sharing code up on your screen. And I think everybody knows how to do that. When we install the DisplayNote app onto your laptop, a shortcut will also be put on your home screen, and you can see that shortcut right over here. If you don't have that shortcut or don't want to use that shortcut for some reason, just go down to search and search for the DisplayNote app, and you can open it up that way, of course. I'm going to go ahead and open up DisplayNote app. And when it opens, there's a place for a session ID. And so you look at your display and you'll be able to get that session ID. It should be a 6-digit code. 751160 is mine. I will interject here that if you have a 10-digit code, which will happen, what that usually indicates is you're not on the CDOL Wi-Fi network. We've come across a few displays that were still on the Join MDM Wi-Fi network. What you'll need to do is go into Settings, Wi-Fi, and make sure that you're on the CDOL Wi-Fi network. And then when you open up screen sharing on your display, you'll get that 6-digit code. So anyway, make sure you put your name there and then just connect. And this will take a short amount of time. So we'll just wait until the next screen comes up. Now, you get this no one is presenting right now, but what that tells you is that you are, in fact, connected to your display. You've turned a moderator mode on, and what you'll see on the display is that my name, or your name, in this case my name, Matt, is showing up there with an invite option. I'm going to go up and press invite. And when I do that, when I press invite, this comes up and I want to share my screen. So I just select share my screen. I can select what I want to share out of that. And so I'm just going to choose to do screen 1 and then tap on share.